Welcome back to my channel. I heard that a new Hogwarts game is coming out, so I wanted to create magic wands. It seems to me that a magic hat would have assigned me to Slytherin, so I wanted to create Slytherin magic wands. And how it was?
You can see what I needed to create magic wands in the description of this video. To begin with, I am taking an own and making small recesses in the stick. Try on. Trying crystal. Then gluing on it. When the glue has hardened, I am taking polymer clay and making decorations. Slytherin's animals is a snake, so I decided to sculpt the snake just by rolling clay. For another wand, I remembered that I can easily make petals just by flattening the ball between fingers. Sculpted flower. To tell the truth, I cut out from the video how I tried another decorations. I don't get it right the first time, as you might think. I'm making a ring on a stick and writing Slytherin with an awl. Then I am adding a snake on a stick. Next, making the texture with a piece of foil. Adding small details. Putting it on the oven according to the clay instructions. When the clay is baked, I am trying to sharpen them with a sharpener. One broke and I had to fiddle with it. With the help of sandpaper, I graded them, giving a complete look. Starting coloring. I had absolutely no idea in my head what I should look like. The main thing is to start, and then how it goes. Hope you enjoyed this video.